You guys. Huh? No, it's heavy, so we're gonna open it right here, okay? You guys, it's early Monday morning and I haven't even picked up the camera to start the vlog yet. But of course, the day started off with packages. So, let's open this let's start today's vlog with opening packages. So let me just go ahead and officially start today's vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. What do you say to the faves?
Good morning, Faves.
Good morning, faves. And this package is so heavy. And I'm almost sure. Why is it heavy? Because of what is in there. I am 90% sure this package is from Priscilla. And I'll tell you why and give you a funny story behind it. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's in it. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. Oh my God. You guys know what this is? This is tin mackerel. Oh my God. And one case have 6. Oh my God. And Priscilla sent me 3. Oh my gosh. No, Priscilla, you must behave better than that. This is so funny and hilarious. Okay, let me tell you the kind of person Priscilla is. Priscilla is such a humble soul. She is like a mother nurturing her kid. Okay, she's such a nurturer. She's such a when I'm having conversation with Priscilla, she listens to her conversation and then things just show up at my door. Okay. Let me give you a joke about these tin mackerels. Priscilla and I was having a conversation on the phone and we were having jokes about, I just saw my friend Elaine post on Instagram that she's eating
my friend Elaine.
that she's eating tin mackerel and boiled dumplings, and I'm saying, oh my God, I haven't had tin mackerel in forever. I would eat that right now. And a few minutes later, Priscilla sent me a screenshot of her going on Amazon and sending me tin mackerel. And she ordered 3 packs with 6 big tin of tin mackerel in one. Priscilla, you are crazy, but I love you. I have tin mackerel for days.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
It's with the fish in the picture.
Yeah. And this is from Tropical Sun, the same place that sends Aki.
Okay.
So now I have tin mackerel to last me forever. My God. Look at all this tin mackerel.
You're talking to
My gosh. No. I'm still in shock at the amount of tin mackerel Priscilla sent me. Priscilla, you are something else, woman. Anyway, thank QP for my tin mackerel. Listen, I just don't know what is gonna show up at my door from Priscilla. Okay, when it comes, I just have to laugh about it because she's hilarious.
Mama,
Anyway, you guys.
Mama, but you just I can jump on this.
No, don't do that. You're gonna get hurt.
But I want to jump.
And Mama said don't jump on it. You can jump, but not on it, okay? So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed. Tyler is on vacation. We are home. We'll be home for the next 2 weeks. No work, no school. Yes, Ty?
I'm gonna crush it.
Okay, crush it.
With my foot.
Okay, crush it. Let's see how strong you are. Rah! Rah! Jump on it. Jump on it. Take your time. Yes! Alright, no more because I see danger coming. Don't jump on it again, okay? Finish now. Okay? Good job. So, to give you a rundown about our day, baby's off to work. Tyler and I are around here. I freshened up the entire house already this morning. I'm off to an early start because I have a doctor appointment to go to later. So I am actually getting some editing done over there before I get going in the afternoon. The later part of the afternoon I have an appointment. So I guess it's gonna be tin mackerel for lunch. Maybe for dinner too. So this is hilarious. I can't even stop laughing at the amount of tin mackerel I'm looking at right now. If this is not something else, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Priscilla. This is hilarious. I've never seen anything like this in life. Priscilla ordered 3-pack. She orders 3-pack of tin mackerel and it's 6 big tins in 1 pack. This is crazy. Anyway, you guys, I love y'all. Have a good day. You went for your tools and you're cutting up the box? Yes. Alright, get to work, brother. Anyway, you guys, we are about to have a good day and we're sending you positivity. We are sending you good love and good laughter and good energy and all the wonderful things that this world have to offer in this crazy time. Just stay smiling, stay loved. We love you guys and I'm gonna get back to some work and I'll take you guys along the rest of our day to see what our day end up being like. Love you guys. See you in a bit.
Mama,
Yeah, what are you doing? You are so funny.
I'll be crushing.
All right, keep crushing it. Then we're gonna put it in the recycle bin, okay?
Okay.
All right. You guys, I am in the kitchen actually making dinner and lunch in one. And I just take a break from editing and just giving my eyes a break on the computer. So, I'm gonna show you guys what's going down in my kitchen right now, okay? So over here, let me turn on. Ooh, that's better. Okay. Over here I have filet mignon going for the boys. And to this, when it finished browning, I am going to add mushrooms and some barbecue sauce. And Tyler and Dave shall be happy. I'm not a mushroom fan, but in this one here, it's for me. You see all this pepper? Ooh, can you tell what I'm gonna make? Bam! I'm gonna make my tin mackerel. And in here, in the rice cooker, there's rice going. It's actually finished. So that's what's going down in the kitchen right now. Dinner and lunch. And Minnie is somewhere around. Ah! What you doing?
I want you to play with me.
You want me to play with you?
Yeah.
Guess what? Mama is cooking. So when I'm finished, look at my big stomach right in front of your face. When I finish cooking, I'll play with you, okay?
Okay.
What are you doing in your room? What you playing?
I'm playing a kitchen and Paw
You're playing
Patrol.
kitchen and Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
Alright, go on, I soon come, okay? Lord, the trouble there. Look for me, mackerel. Oi. Look at that. Oh, God. My motor run water. Me motor run water. Right now, me just have to add some black pepper to that. Lord. Yes. Glory. Oi. Yeah, the little things that makes me happy. The little things that makes a girl happy. You win. What did you cook? Priscilla, thank you for my tin mackerel. It's going down, honey. It's going down. Yes, Dad. Alright, I'm gonna add all this to the mushroom. It looks really nice. Yeah, I'm making mushroom. I want to show you guys inside this pot. That's beautiful. Now to that. You did mushroom too? To that I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. Yes, you're making salad for me? No, I don't like mushroom. Only you and Papa love mushroom. Okay, so that's dinner for the boys. That's looking really good, and I'm gonna turn it off and cover it right now. Oh. Okay, so I don't want this to cook anymore. It's gonna stay there and chill. And the truth is, I couldn't have tin mackerel without boiled dumplings. So I go ahead and making me some boiled dumpling while my tin mackerel is waiting for me over there. Yes, I'm making mushroom for Tyler. And this right here is heaven and earth to me. Okay, it's crop time. Dirty girl, dash out, flash out. You guys, oh my gosh, I am just all over the place right now. I am actually getting ready to head out to my doctor's appointment, and got a call from DHL, and of course a package came. So let's see what's in this package real quick before I go pick up Ty from his nap to get him ready. So let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. The back side. One more mackerel come. How come? No, sir. I'm gonna have to call Priscilla right now. So that's 4 cases of tin mackerel. Oh my god. Yes, Ty? My baby is awake. So I'm gonna go pick up Tyler and we'll head to the doctor right now. My man, he's her little fly guy heading out. Ready, fly guy?
Yeah.
Let mama take a picture. He have wear his watch in a while and he can't stop looking at his watch to tell the time. Yes, Ty, I see.
It's 2:37.
Yes, it's 2:37. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, you're looking so handsome. What you say?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. You guys, pregnant woman problems. I went to the doctor. Look at that lip. Went to the doctor. Doctor appointment is finished, and I am so hungry. I cannot
Me
take.
too.
I know, right? Where are we? Yeah, we're so hungry. I personally cannot take the bus like this because I know I'm gonna be nauseous and probably vomit and just probably pass out. But to avoid that, we're gonna have food. More like dinner because it's almost 6 p.m. After cooking all that yumminess at home, but that's okay. If you don't eat tonight, it will go in the fridge for the next day and the next day and the next day after that. But we're at McDonald's. What happened to you here? It's scratch? So that means we're gonna wash it tomorrow, okay? Okay? You hungry? Your food soon come, okay? Baby's actually downstairs picking up our order. So we're just waiting on him to come up. But we're hungry. Look at all these miserable hunger faces. Burger problems and toddler problems. Scratching you? I'm gonna have to wash it tonight? Okay, I'll wash it tonight, okay? Instead of tomorrow. Alright? Food has arrived and we're happy campers. We stop crying now? We want food. We were pretend crying. It's yummy? Yeah? What you having? What's that? Fries. And then I'm having a small fish sandwich. Wedges. Okay, you soon get it. Juice and ice cream. Say hi to the Faves. Say hi to the Faves, honey. He's eating. He's grabbing.
I'm going to open it for you.
Okay. I am in my bed literally editing that vlog and I realized I didn't come back. We didn't continue vlogging. What happened to your lip? Look, we have matching lip. Do it. What happened?
I can't find the blue part.
You can't find the blue part?
Yeah.
Go and look properly in all the boxes and see if you find it. Go on. And look in the big box with all the big Lego too. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Of course, when I reached home, Prego problem, went straight to bed. I was so tired. And babe had to care of Tyler for me. So now it's the next day and I'm up editing. So I forgot to tell you what happened with those tin mackerels and Priscilla. So when she had went to order, she thought that she was ordering singles. So she ordered 4 singles. In her head she ordered 4 singles, but in reality it's 4 cases that came. We couldn't stop laughing on the phone. It was hilarious. But oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Priscilla. She's like a mom to me. I tell you, the best friend and everything in one. She's freaking amazing. She's amazing. She's just amazing, man. So that's what happened. I'll have tin mackerel for days, for years to come, and I've been eating them ever since they came. I can't stop eating mackerel. And they're doing me justice. Baby D is a happy camper. She's here chilling with mama. So yeah, just want to tell you guys, thanks for all the continued love and laughter and support and positivity and everything that you guys have to offer us. Blessings and guidance and light. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up and keep up with the fam. We love every single one of you. Blessings. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.